Growth is living. Without growth, business has no identity.
In line with our vision, Trustar is a land of growth. That means anyone like customer, supplier, employee who associated with Trustar should grow along with Trustar.
We always keep ourselves updated with latest know-how and latest technologies in our production processes.
We are always keen to implement latest technology so that our product becomes faster, better, cheaper and easier with different approvals like PESO, CE, ATEX and IECX.
Being together in a journey of success, I believe providing solution in time, on time to customer, we all can move together in this journey of success.
As a part of business strategy, we have taken ATEX and IECX approval for junction boxes as well as control station to serve our global customer with complete solution. Under Make in India initiative and to support Indian GDP, we have recently started supplies of enclosures to Indian Railways apart from our regular segment. Our commitment, quality and team is strength of Trustar family.